Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, it's here and ups on this one again. So yeah, today we're going to be doing our weekly analysis again. We're going to be doing our weekly analysis to see what the market will do next week. So yeah guys, the last weekly analysis we did on this channel, for GBPUSD we said it was going to drop, and I remember telling you guys too that it will be very difficult for GBPUSD to pass this level, to break this structure, this resistance, this support here, because this is a very valid support. So yeah, we drew this fib in our last week analysis, and the market did exactly what we predicted. Yeah guys, it did exactly what we predicted. The market touched our 58.0 zone and went down straight. So if you took that trade, it would have definitely been a hit. Yeah, it would have been a hit. So yeah, I took few trades this week. I'm really trying to modify my trading. I'm trying to take few trades as possible. I took many trades this week, and the week was a profitable week for me. Yeah. So guys, today again we'll be doing the weekly analysis and to see what the market will do next week. So yeah, let's do it. So yeah, this is gold. Gold also did the same thing. Just to a weekly recap, gold did the same thing. When I analyzed gold, we tap this zone and drop. I deleted my fib. Let me draw the fib I drew last week. So yeah, my analysis was this, exactly this. That gold was going to tap this zone. It was going to tap this. It was going to come in between this zone and drop. I said it was going to come in between, but yeah, it tapped the 61.8 zone. And guess what it did, guys? It dropped. So now, the reason why these markets are like this, okay, let's start from the beginning. Let's go to the dollar index. The dollar index was the part where I didn't really get it right. So yeah, my analysis for the dollar index was that, it was that I drew this resistance here. And I said it was going to break, test, and continue going up. But it didn't work. At times, and just to get kind of money, you know. So yeah, it did something else, and immediately I caught what it was about to do. So I also did this. So yeah guys, I knew what it was about to do, so immediately I drew this one, and this is exactly what's going to happen. So yeah, what it means is that the dollar index is going to be dropping. Yeah, it will be dropping, and that's a very serious news. If it's dropping, that's to say pound will be buying. If the dollar index is selling, pound will be buying. So yeah guys, let me just clear this whole chart. Let's first of all, like we did the last time, this is the episode 2. I'm going to be doing this thing in episode. So let's clear the chart like we did the last time. First of all, let's go to the weekly. I have a clear view of this whole thing. So yeah, guys, pay attention, pay close attention. This is the part you don't want to miss anything from. So yeah, the first thing I'll do here is to clear the charts, remove all drawing. So now in the weekly, guys, if you look at this market clearly, you will see something funny. Yeah, come to this weekly chart doesn't even make me feel like this market will sell. It might just be a temporary sell for like next week, but I don't feel like it's the whole time, because pay close attention to this, guys. The market did this, came down, did this, came down, did this. So guys, in my previous technical analysis video, if you watched it, you'll know that this is what we call higher highs and higher lows, which is a definition of an uptrend. So that's to say this market is still looking like an uptrend in the weekly, but I don't feel like this is where I'll draw any conclusion, because I do not trade from the weekly. I do the highest I should go to is the daily. So let me drop to the daily first and see anything that looks nice, and maybe from here I could start seeing something. So yeah guys, in this daily I would like to draw my zone, my first zone from here. So the first zone I'm drawing here is something that is significant to me, in the sense that this market broke this zone. The market broke this zone. Before it broke it tested it, dropped the bid, now broke it, and now it closed on the zone. Now mind you, before it closed on the zone, it retraced a bit. So guys, let me zoom in so you can see what I'm trying to talk about. Let me zoom in. So before it closed on this zone, it retraced a bit. So this is something to pay attention to. It retraced a bit. So right now, and I won't say this market is going up or down. I won't say this market is going up or down. I will wait for more confirmation. I want to see this market close above this zone. I want to see this market close above this zone. I want to see it close above this zone next week. If any candle comes on, like a daily candle, like a Monday candle, and close above this zone, then I will say this market will still continue heading high. Yeah, this is the dollar index. So let's go to pound. As usual, when we're in the pound, the next thing we do is to go to the weekly time frame and see what the week did. So yeah guys, if you're liking this content, please help me subscribe, like, and just comment and help me grow this channel, please. I'll be really grateful if you do that for me. Like, subscribing to a YouTube channel doesn't cost a penny, it doesn't cost a dime, it's free. So you could just do it and help me grow. I'll be really glad. Yeah, when I started watching YouTube videos, I used to think to subscribe to a video used to cost money, but it don't. Like, YouTube taught me how to trade the foreign exchange market, so it's only fair if I come back here and give back. Yeah, I feel like that's what I'll call it, to give back. So yeah guys, let's go back to what we're here for. So yeah, if you look at this market has been doing lower lows and lower highs as usual. Like, it's a downtrend, it's been dropping for a while, everything is happening now. So yeah, the Ukraine war is just messing up so many economies. So yeah guys, it's been dropping for a while. So this is lower lows and lower highs. This is a definition of a downtrend. So there's nothing to say here. Let me go to the daily time frame and see what it looks like. Daily time frame and see. So yeah guys, in the daily time frame, market is, I won't say the market is funny, it's showing so much data, and I love to see things like this. So you would only see this data if you are a trader, if you know how to see this data, if you've trained your eyes to see this data. So the first thing I want to do here is FIB, because I love FIB. Like, I really love FIB. So seeing my FIB, the areas I pay attention to in this FIB is this area I'm about to draw here. It will be this zone. Yeah, it's this zone. Now I'm coming for a bit. It is this zone. Yeah, it's this zone. So being this zone, I want to draw an area around this zone. I like to draw areas around the zone and just make it look good. Apart from, this is not the reason why you win a trade. It's funny, but it's not the reason why you win a trade. It could be as good as possible, but you still lost the trade. So I'm drawing this here because of, this is the last most valid resistance. And I know you will ask me, why didn't I draw it here? This is a previous resistance. The market have gone past this area. So here the market paid great respect. It did pay respect here. So I feel like this is the best zone to draw it. So I'll be expecting this market to come back to the middle of 0.50 and 0.61.8 zone. I'll be expecting this market to come back to this middle. And if this market don't come back to this middle, I don't want to take a trade on USD. I don't want to take a trade on GBPUSD. Yeah, it's funny, I might not take a trade next week on GBPUSD. I might not take a trade next week on GBPUSD, but yeah, this is like about a week candle here because it's daily time frame. It's about a week candle here, but I don't care if I don't take a trade. That's if I'm waiting for the best or a high probability trade. I know if this market gets to this level, this market will most likely drop, and it's just left for me to catch the drop, because predicting the drop is one thing, cashing it is another thing. But I hope I will catch the drop. If I don't catch it, then it be what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, guys, next week for me, pound is going to go up. When it gets to this zone, then the market will drop. That's my analysis for pound. So yeah, we'll be moving on to gold. We will be moving on to gold, and as usual, the first thing we do is to go to the weekly time frame and see what the previous week did. So yeah, guys, gold is in the previous week. Like, if you look clearly, it's been lower lows and lower highs. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So in that case, it's a downtrend because that's the definition of a downtrend. But first of all, I'll delete all drawing. I remove all drawing. And immediately I remove all drawing, I want to draw one drawing back. Yeah, this is a very significant zone, so I better draw it back for referencing. So yeah, the next thing I do is to go down to the daily. I go down to the daily immediately. And yeah, guys, if you look clearly, if you look in the daily, it's also been, I'm a day trader. I don't even need up to a daily candle to make money. I don't need up to one daily candle to make money. It's been lower lows and lower highs. So if it is been like this, that's to say this market will most likely drop from this area it is right now this week. So it will most likely drop. And apart from it most likely dropping from here, if you look closely, because these small things really matter in the foreign exchange market, trading market, in analysis in general. So yeah, if you look closely, the market have resisted this zone. It has powerfully resisted this zone. This only means that, okay, yeah, this market will drop from this zone. It has resisted this zone very well, so you should pay attention to this zone next week. So what I want to do here is to also draw my fib. I feel like fib will stick in this type of scenario. Okay, I didn't take it. Okay, I'll draw my fib from this zone to this zone. Now guys, if you look clearly, the market tapped into the 50th to the 0.50 zone. That's the middle of fib. Tapped into that zone and it dropped. Now I want to see this market next week tap into this zone again. I want to see it tap into this zone again. Then from here I'll be looking to sell the market. I don't trade on Mondays though, so if it happens on Monday, then I'm not trading. So, but I want to see it tap into this zone again. I want to see it tap directly on this candle I've drawn out. I want to see it tap directly on this candle, on this resistance I've drawn. So yeah, guys, this is it for the week. This is the two pairs I trade. I trade pound and gold. So I like to trade those two. I like to keep it simple. I don't like too much pairs. I'm a day trader. It will be too much stress for me because I have other things I'm doing. So guys, if you really like this content, like and subscribe. Yeah, like and subscribe. Just help me grow the channel. Do everything please to help me grow. Please like in particular. I will be really grateful if you do this for me, because this is something that will help you. Subscribe to this channel. I'll be dropping things like this. It will definitely help your career as a trader or everything. And the channel will just starting. There will be more gems, more things. I have so much plan for this channel. So thank you guys. Peace.